If you have a camper van with a sliding door, then you really must see this simple modification that costs less than £25 and you can fit yourself in under half an hour. Hi, it's Dave T here, and both our previous Fiat-based Adria twin campervan and our new Ford-based Bailey Endeavour have large sliding side doors. These are great to open in the summer to let in light and fresh air into the van, but sometimes if the weather is bad, or if you're cooking and there's a breeze, or if you just want a bit more privacy when the door's open, then it's useful to open the door just partly. But of course, if you've used a panel van sliding door before, then you'll know that if the van is on even a slight incline, then the door won't stay just half open. Or worse still, if the van is nose down, then it can come sliding back on you when you're least expecting it. Openglass Van Mod's sliding door stopper is a simple device that solves this problem. It's basically a wedge made from aluminium, which is glued into the sliding door track to act as a temporary stop. So before I go into how we found it to use, here's a rundown of what you get and how to install it. So how well does it work? Well, we fitted the door stopper just before we left for our trip to the Republic of Ireland. Now, after 2 weeks of touring the wild Atlantic Way and parking on lots of quite steep inclines, I think we've given it a pretty thorough test. Using the door stopper takes a little bit of getting used to, mainly to stop giving the door a real strong tug to open or close the door if you actually then just want it halfway. A lighter pull will generally have the axle wheel nicely dropping into the dip on the door stopper. But if you do overrun, then a gentle pull in the opposite direction will have it drop back in. Now, to open the door fully or close it from being fully open, a firm pull will have the wheels rolling straight over and past the door stopper. When parked on an incline, the door stopper does a good job of holding the door in the half open position. I'm sure there is an angle at which it would not hold the door, but despite stopping on various sloping laybys on coastal roads or mountain passes, we didn't have any issues. The stopper is almost excessively well made for what it is. CNC machined from aircraft grade aluminium with an engraved logo. In the often cold and wet Irish climate, we found it really useful being able to have the door only half open, but still secure in terms of it's not going to slide backwards and forwards. When cold, it keeps a little bit more of the van's warm air in. When raining, it keeps more of the rain out. With our gas stove, like minivans, located in the door opening, it also avoids breezes blowing the gas out if it's very windy. And it also has the benefit of providing a little bit more privacy if parked in public places. It is listed as compatible with Sprinter, ProMaster, which to us is the Ducato, and of course the Transit. But I would imagine that this would actually work with pretty much any wheel and track based sliding door. I've read online that some people have actually purchased two and installed them both on the lower and mid track for extra holding power, but we didn't find this necessary. At just under £25 on Amazon and being a simple installation, there's very few reasons to not install this if you have a sliding door on your campervan. So I hope you found this video helpful, or at least entertaining, and if you have, then please do hit the like button. If you're interested in seeing other videos that I make, then please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit that bell icon to be notified of new videos. But most of all, thanks for watching.